Yo, check this out, y'all. Look, man, I shot this thing about 40 times trying to get it right, man. Hey, my mind done went loco for some reason, man. I ate a bowl of cereal. I just got off work, man. I've been tripping all day at work. Oh no, I believe they done put something in the milk or something, man. I'm tripping, man. I'm for real, man. It's wide open, man. But this is what I'm telling y'all about, man. I've been at work, Well, first of all, I talked to McKelzo a couple days ago. Sonny Boy D, what's up, nigga? Well, I talked to him a couple days ago. And we was tripping. We was talking about this music, 'cause that's what it is. That music, it's a form of expressing yourself. So, what we was doing, we was talking about, when we spit now, just spit without no music, and you can incorporate the music in later on. And so, in doing that, I'm at work, I'm like, I ain't got no music here. Let me try it out here. Let me see what I can do here. I'm just saying, just coming off the top of the dome with just simple stuff. And I came up with a question. And the question is, how come no one's ready to deal with us? Sonny Boy still sprinkling space dust. Just enough just to get the cuss, but not enough for you to... I can't, you see, I'm tripping, y'all. I'm tripping for real. I'm tripping. I'm going to post this, too. I'm going to post this just because I'm tripping, man. I don't know what's going on, man. I can't even spit right now.